honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm doing another quarantine cuisine meal. I'll be making some air fried chicken. I have legs and wings in this bag. This chicken has been previously washed. I cut it. I cut these wings. No, I didn't cut the wings. Washed, seasoned, and marinated with yellow mustard and my seasonings. So you can use whatever seasonings you like to put on your food. So I like heavily seasoned food, so I got a lot of stuff on here. And I don't mean heavily salted food. Okay, I'll be using some Louisiana seasoned spicy chicken fry. Okay, people ask me, do you need another flour? No, this has the flour and the seasoning in it. And I choose to season my chicken also, as well as using this seasoned breading. Okay, I'm going to start out with some dried chicken. So yes, I'm going to dab these wings dry. I'm not going to wipe the seasoning off, but enough of the seasoning has gone all through the chicken, the marinade. And I'm going to put all this in one batch. And I don't use the bags over. Oh yeah, that's right. I vacuum sealed this after I washed and seasoned it and marinated. Okay. This is leaking. Okay. Just gonna dab the chicken. Make it kind of dry. And then when I put it in, before I put it in the breader bowl, I'm gonna dab the other side. Okay. So let me dry my hands off before I get electrocuted. I'm about to plug in my air fryer. I'll be using the Cicero 5.8 quart air fryer. And it's sitting on the nifty rolling countertop tray. See, because you're supposed to pull this out from the wall whenever you turn it on, so all that hot air is not blowing right on your wall. Okay, make sure nothing is in here. I'm going to preheat this. Okay, in the meanwhile, I'm going to be using my breader shaker bowl. Got this from Amazon. You can buy this on Amazon. One of my honeys bought me this. So I'm use up the rest of this. What's in this bag? I'll leave a link to everything I talked about in my description box. Whenever you use a breading that comes in a pouch, you probably won't use the whole bag unless you're cooking for a lot of people. Cooking a lot of chicken or pork chops or fish or whatever. So I just got, what is that, 6 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just got 6 pieces of chicken. So it looks like that should be enough. So I have a lot left. Don't just dump the whole bag in there. Conserve your stuff because it's expensive. Okay, I'm gonna lay my chicken in here on the side I didn't wipe off, so I can dab it. Just gonna dab it a little. Okay. Don't want to put all the chicken in there one time, because you want it to be an even coating. Now I'm gonna shake it. See the flour is in the bottom? Okay, that's preheated long enough. Let's see. Shake off the excess batter. I don't tuck my wing tips under. Okay, put these in here. On the side I didn't dab. Dab this just so to dry them off. See, the seasoning is still on here, plus the seasoning went all through them. So I'm gonna shake this up. So I like to put my wings this side up, the flat side up. I don't put it this way. I put it flat side up. Shake off the excess. Okay, little leg, get out the way. And I cut this wing tip off because it wasn't looking right to me. It looked like this chicken had been in a barnyard fight. So I didn't like the way the tip looked, so I got rid of that. Okay, let's get this out of my way. Ew, I don't like nasty hands. Okay. That's the way my chicken looks before I put it in the air fryer. 6 pieces. I'm going to spray it with olive oil. That's what I refill my Evo oil sprayer with. Olive oil. You can use canola oil, you can use avocado oil, whatever you want to use. But you do need oil. Make it taste better. So I hold it up high to spray so I don't blow the breading off. Okay. This is much less oil than you would use if you were deep frying. So don't come for me, y'all. Okay, put it in the air fryer. I'm using the chicken setting, but I'm going to lower the time. I'm going to raise this to 400 degrees. And I'm going to lower the time. It's preset for 25 minutes. I'm going to lower it for 20 minutes. Because these wings have been marinating. The marinated meats, they cook faster. Okay, y'all. I'll be back. And with the Cicero air fryer, I don't have to flip my wings. Now, I may have to flip the legs, but not the wings. So, I'll be back. Okay, my chicken has been air frying for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So, I'm going to check it. Yeah, buddy. Let me get a dish towel. This is hot. Perfectly golden brown chicken. I'm going to have to turn the legs over because they're thick. They're not like the wings. So I'm going to turn these legs over. Y'all see. You want to be on the camera, Walter Ford? Yeah. Did you say yeah? I thought I heard you say yeah. Moving this out the way. I ain't talking to myself. Turn this leg over. Even though you can see they were getting brown on the other side. I want these to cook through since they're so thick. Leave these wings just like they are. And it don't need no spraying on the other side. So I'm going to let them continue to cook the rest of the 5 minutes. And I will be back when I'm plating up my chicken. Okay. So I'm going to end this now before this camera shuts off. This man is crazy. They don't know you out. He flexing like he Mr. America or somebody. Why did he start doing that? Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Stay home and cook. Be safe, y'all. Okay? Bye. I'll be back to show y'all how the chicken looks after it's done. Okay, here's my air fried chicken. It's done. I cooked the wings for 19 minutes. Did I? And I cooked the legs for 3 minutes longer. Okay, at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's my Corona Cuisine. I think I'm going to get 2 wings on the leg. Okay. Bon appetit. Stay home and cook. Bye.